Hello everyone, thank you for being here. My name is Madhu Dana and we're about to dive into the topic that shapes every single business in 2025. Customer market dynamics in the digital age will explore the incredible opportunities this era presents. But we will also be realistic about the significant challenges we all face. Let's begin. So, to ensure we are on the same page, let's start with the basic. A customer market, in simple terms, is the specific group of people or organization we identify as potential buyers for our products or service. For centuries, this market was physical. We went to a store, a bazaar, a traditional marketplace, but the biggest shift is business history has been the massive migration for these traditional markets to digital ones. The marketplace is no longer a physical location, it's in our pockets, on our desks, and always on. This single shift is the source of all the dynamics we will discuss today. So, what is fueling this change? There are four key drivers. First, the foundation of everything, technology and the internet. It provided the infrastructure for this new digital world connecting billions of people and business instantly. Second, social media and digital advertising. This isn't just about posting updates anymore. It's the new town square, the new billboard, and the new word of mouth. All roll into a one powerful platform where brands and consumers interact directly. Third, the brain of the operation, data analysis and artificial intelligence. Every click, every search, every process scraps data. AI helps users understand the massive amount of information to predict trends and understand our customer on a deeper level. And finally, all of the test drive led up to the most important factor, rapidly changing customer behavior. Because we have access to all this technology and information which customer now behave completely differently than we did just a decade ago. With this powerful change, incredible new opportunities have emerged for business of all sizes. The most obvious is access to global markets. A small business in Bali making handmade crafts can now sell its product directly to a customer in London or Tokyo, something that was unimaginable, unimaginable just a few years ago. This is made possible by cost-effective digital market. Forget expensive TV or newspaper ads. We can now run highly target campaigns on social media with a much smaller budget and get measurable results. Furthermore, we now have the ability for deep customer personalization through data. We can create unique experience for its customer, recommending products they make love, making them feel understood and valued, and lastly, all this lead to incredible product and service innovation powered by technology. We can get customer feedback faster, test new ideas quicker, and develop new solutions that truly meet the market needs. However, it's not all easy. Along with these opportunities, we also face some very serious challenges. The same technology that gives you global access also creates instant global competition. That small business in Bali isn't just competing with the shop next door. It's competing with sellers from Vietnam, India, and all over the world. The market is crowded. Next, a very critical issue, data security and privacy concern. The data we collect is a huge responsibility. A single data breach can destroy customer trust that took years to build. Customers are rightly concerned about how their data is being used. This leads to increased customer expectation. Because of leader like Amazon and Gojek, customers now expect instantly service, one day delivery, and 24/7 support. The standard for good service is higher than ever before. And finally, we must deal with rapidly changing trend. What's viral on TikTok today might be forgotten next week. Business must be incredible agile to keep up and stay relevant. Let's look a couple of real world examples of companies using this digital strategy successful. Think about Netflix. They are master of data analysis. The platform doesn't just show you a library of films. It creates a personalized cinema just for you. It knows you just finished a crime series, so it recommends similar contents, keeping you engaged and subscribed. Closer to home, look at Shopee. They use AI in a very smart ways. From the flash sale notification you get to the product recommendation on your feed. They leverage AI to understand your shopping preference, which ultimately increasing their sales and keep your scrolling. So, facing these opportunities and challenges, what can we do? Here are four case strategies for success. First, we must be willing to adopt the last technology, not for the sake of being trendy, but to find tools that genuinely improve our efficiency and service. Second, and perhaps most importantly, focus on exceptional customer experience in a crowded market. A great experience is often the only things that set you apart. Third, make data-driven decisions. Move away from guesswork and use the data you have to make smarter choice about your product marketing and operation. Finally, you must actively build trust, security, and transparency. Be open with your customer about how you use their data and work tirelessly to protect it. To conclude, it's clear that digital markets are a combination of immense opportunities and significant challenges. There is no magic formula for success. Instead, the key to success lies in three things: adaptation, innovation, and relentless customer focus. We must be willing to change, we must constantly seek better ways of doing things, and we must put the customer at the center of everything we do. Because in this digital age, the customer is not just a buyer, they are a partner in our innovation. That brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I will now be happy to answer any question you may have. Bye bye.